this early in the game.
No.
Well, that was fun. Chunks of water there. These are why all the oil is weak now.
Is it? Just replace those? Alright, so this is our replacement motor. See, surprise. Yeah. This is actually our bad motor that we took out. And I purchased another motor that was supposed to be good, but look what we're doing to it. The only thing good about it, the pistons and the valves didn't hit together.
Yeah.
What do you think, Jack? Ooh. Free aluminum?
Free aluminum.
Yeah, luckily we got a parts motor. You get a little bit of build up.
Oh, that's pretty clean inside.
That's good. I'm in on the workbench. I'll get a bucket.
We'll tie that up.
Put everything away for when we put it all back together.
Sure. These are all the bolts that have to be cut off. You get cut off the spinning off. Quite good for us. Well, not now, isn't it?
They would love us. Yeah, not a very good setup when they rust. Canada.
Northern Canada.
Northern Canada. Yeah, so normally these bolts wouldn't rust. So it wouldn't, the heads would come off easily because the bolts would come out of the heads where they're aluminum. But that wasn't as easy for Sully. We had to cut them off. Luckily we got another parts motor we can use the covers for it. Yeah. Good times in maritime. Yeah.
Scooby-Doo's, baby. I love them.
I love the Scooby-Doos. I'm in love with them. So excited.
You can tell.
Yep.
It blows my mind that you get upset about these, but you like that.
Oh well. Well, that's a little better.
Sure.
Yeah. Little sharpy darpy. So you can see where she's leaking. Same side on the other ones. So it was just down, it was on the bottom part she was leaking.
Not much turbine on her. I don't think she's burning any oil in her.
The other side's better.
Not too bad.
Great.
I didn't know the valve was posted.
If you look down in here,
Yeah, you can see it through the exhaust. Some parts. There's the new motor. New to me. I thought that was just gonna come in and go right here, but that didn't happen. We had a lot more work to do once we got that thing here. as you can see. It's a nice side of you there, Jay. That's a nice side of you. So, we robbing parts off this one? Good idea. What's that, coolant line? Yeah, bad on the other one.
It looks crusty, but
This one's better?
this one's definitely better.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll rob from this one. Sweet. That one looks way better.
Way better, but it looks better. It's not perforated in the other one.
No. No, this, like I said, this one's not as rusty as the newer one, but this one, the pistons didn't collide with the valve, so we're gonna use that one.
You come a long way away.
Yeah. Not sitting there back. Hey, Sully, what are you doing?
Hit on them.
Ooh. Hit bolts.
Really like the lid.
Little head. I like that.
Either put time as well.
They're pulleys.
Yeah.
So we're just taking the best that we can off of each motor and going from there. We had a motor mount missing on this one, so. Oh! I guess. That was a good one.
Oh my God, I put the fucking head bolts in the lid back on.
Yeah. We're not going tight. We're just saving
I'm
time.
not gonna lie to you, I've seen people put motors together with you.
Really?
Oh my God.
Ah, that's good enough. Tick. Yep, that's good.
Yeah, they last for a day.
Yeah. Beep. Oh, Sully, that was a good one, bud. Look at you go. Oh. So now you gotta loosen them all up. And then re-torque them to another spec, or?
The torque's new.
Sorry, okay.
Looking so varying and you
Back them off.
by degree. Torque's held on by the stress.
Nice. Yeah, I know that old Duramax we did. That was impressive. I couldn't believe it, how much power you had to put to that.
6 foot pipe on top.
Yeah, 6-foot pipe, yep. That's a Super Duty, but the old Duramax. That was impressive. I thought you were going to break it.
Did that?
But they were big bolts, though.
They were huge.
Yeah. Yeah, that was one of the stressful moments of the repair. This don't seem right. Well, that's what it says. Cool. That's how you do it. Some big bear you got there, Jay.
That's it.
Holy cow.
Quick. Yeah.
You good?
Yeah. It's a grenade ready to blow up.
Lucky I got that on video. That was perfect timing. That's not true, hopefully. Alright, so what'd you do? Get the new timing belt on it? Sweet. A little update to this motor. This is the new motor. Sully put new head gaskets in. They were leaking bad. We put a new timing belt on it. And which side was it, Sully? Driver's side? That's bad valve guide. Right. So I had it sent to Nova and they fixed that for me. Great guys they are. Nova Automotive. And now she's going back together here. Diamond cover on her. Changed this coolant line. It's a little better. Back to it. So the coolant line was a little better on the other one, so we changed that one out. A little bit of working, and she's slowly going back together. Hopefully she runs. Sully, that stinks, bud. Oh. That hurts, by the way. They're definitely not user friendly. Oops. Holy man, what did you eat? It just comes right out. Ducks. I knew I had crickets here, but I don't think I got ducks. Ah, I can see it like lingering right here. No, it's over here. Yeah, right.
Power of the fog, baby.
Power of the fog. Alright, so she's slowly coming back together. And she's wide. Old boxer motors.
You shouldn't say stuff like that, she gets offended.
Hey folks, as you can see we're having issues with the sound in this video and the previous video of all the motor going back together. We must have lost somehow, so I'm just going to tell you a little bit of the story. This motor, we started up in at 3,000 RPM, had quite a good knock in her. So not only that the head gases was bad and valve guides and all other kind of stuff, the motor was actually a P.O.S. So I was in touch with A1 Automotive during this, and there's nothing they can do. I just had to bring the motor back, but they knew it went to Nova Scotia and it was never going to return. So it didn't make sense for me to send it back. So anyways, we took the loss. It was nothing that those guys would do for us, so here's what it is. So next time, tune in, see what we do with this motor. But I think we'll end up putting the old motor, this motor together, and make one good one. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, share with a friend. Greatly appreciate it. All the best.